Hi, this is Shinichi Kamiya, Associate Professor in NBS, and I'm teaching actuarial science courses and then risk management courses. In 2013, the Monetary Authority of Singapore urged us to open that RMI program because they understand that the risk and insurance industry are developing and growing so fast. And then they also recognize that the urgent need for that trained talent. So we collaborated with MAS and the industry partners to design that the new RMI program, and then industry partner help us to provide internship and job opportunities and also course materials. And in 2016, we accepted the first batch, and then by now, 2 batches has graduated, and then many of them actually started their professional career in risk management related positions. There are many risks that need solutions. Global aging, people live longer than before. People live longer than expected. That sounds great, but at the same time, the important questions are how could the extended lifetime be financially supported? And then how the increased healthcare costs should be covered. Many developed countries' economies actually has been facing these issues. We need the solution. Climate change. Singapore may be less volatile to the climate change, but other parts of the world has been affected by extreme weathers, which incur significant economic losses. And also emerging risks. New technologies introduce the new risks, such as drone, autonomous vehicles. Advancing technologies and business innovations require a solution to that new risks. In order for you to be a risk expert, we require students to take 2 compulsory courses, risk modeling and insurance law and regulation, which help you develop quantitative skills and legal mind. And depending on your interest, you may take further quantitative courses or risk management courses and insurance courses. The idea of this curriculum is that first you build the foundation of identifying and assessing risks. Then once you get equipped with those risk skill set, you start studying how to manage risks. After you completing these courses, you become risk expert, meaning that you are able to thinking of risks and a solution of those risks in systematic ways. Although the number of RMI graduates is still not many, about half of the RMI graduate goes to insurance companies. There are major several laws in insurance companies. Underwriting is a job of making decisions whether the company offers coverage, and if it does, how much. Claims management is another side of insurance business as promised in insurance policies. You are requested to have a good understanding of law and working with lawyers, and it will involve tough negotiations. But biggest misconception you have is that you need to sell insurance policy if you join insurance companies. But that is not true, because the insurance company has its own distribution channels, and then policies are sold through the channels. Insurance broker is another job opportunity for our RMI graduate. Aon, for instance, you may probably know Aon as a sponsor of Manchester United and then as a largest insurance broker in the world. Insurance broker work for large corporate clients. For instance, if NTU want protection, NTU hire insurance broker who help to design the protection plan, including insurance arrangement. Many RMI graduates also work for banks, such as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. They are working for credit analysis and operation risk management. NBS is very unique in terms of insurance, because RMI program is the only program in Singapore and then one of the few programs in Asia Pacific. And then NBS also offer actuarial science program, which is also part of insurance. So this is only university in Singapore offering both programs. Risk management insurance program is all about providing solutions. So if students are interested in contributing to society or organizations in providing solutions to the risk issues, they should be enjoy taking courses learning the subjects. Students will realize that the risks are more complicated and dynamic in the real world, and then best solution may not be optimal always. But RMI students, after taking courses, they learn how to prioritize, how to simplify that complicated issue. So when they face that complicated issues in the future, they should be still able to handle the situations.